How to customize email notifications on Shopify tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you guys a few tips and tricks that you can use to customize your Shopify emails. So let's get into it. Now, a basic email is so overused, and customers are receiving emails like those all the time. So, if you want to stand out with your e commerce business, it's very essential that you integrate your branding, your marketing into your emails as well. And you can do that for free on Shopify. Now, we're going to be discussing a few basic ways you can do that. First off, you can do that with an application. So, you can go into your App Store, the Shopify App Store over here, and you actually have multiple different email template builders. So there are quite a few. Orderly is a great one. Orderly, although it is not free, you're going to have to pay around $50 for each template that you want to send out to your consumers or customers. You also have OmniSend and other platforms that are basically email marketing platforms that also enable you to build your own emails. So you can choose that if you want to do that. But we're going to be looking at it's a little difficult than this, but it is a free way that you can really customize your emails into anything. So to get started, simply click on your settings on the bottom left of your screen. Once you click on your settings, you can scroll and you will find the notifications on the bottom. Once you click on your notifications, you can see over here, you have multiple different emails. So let's say I want to edit my order confirmation email. So I can click on order confirmation. Now, this is the preview, but I actually changed this first. So I'm going to click on edit code, and I'm going to revert it to the default email. And now I can click back, and this is like the default email. Now, the first and most easiest way to edit is simply by going ahead, go back, click on customize email templates, and then you can customize the accent colors like this. So let's say I'm gonna make it a bluish accent color, blue-green one, like so. And after that, you can add your logo. I've already added one. So these are some basic customizations that Shopify offers you. So I'm just going to save these. Now, other than that, what else can you do? Well, there is a lot more you can do. First off, let's say I have a email which is regarding email marketing. So let's say I have a customer marketing confirmation, or let's say, I have, a new template, a new email I want to create. I can do that. But for example, let's say even in the order confirmation email, you can click on that and you can click on edit code. Now, this is one of the most basic ways to edit, which is simply by, you can see these text lines over here. Thank you for your purchase. Then your payment is being processed. You'll get an email when your order is confirmed. So you can edit these text lines to say something else. So your payment is, so let's say I wanted to say your payment will be received at your doorstep. Your order has been confirmed. Now I can click on save. And if we go back into our template over here, you can see our text is going to be changed. It takes a couple of seconds, and then you can send a test email as well. Now, the way that I'm going to show you guys, it's a little, it's a little iffy. I wouldn't say it's the most simple thing, but a lot of people have been using Klaviyo to copy, to, build the emails and then just copy the HTML. But what Klaviyo has done now is that they have disabled this function. So you can no longer use Klaviyo to build your email and then, just leave it and then, just copy their code and paste it to Shopify. But I found another little hack, which is go on to unlayer.com/templates. They have multiple different templates and you can build your own as well. So let's say I want a newsletter template. So we have Valentine's Day coming up. We have, a bunch of different templates. Let's say I want it to be, you have a bunch of different collections as well. So you can click on your, let's say I want a thank you email. So we have a bunch of different email templates. You can also just click on new template to choose one of those, but you have a bunch of different templates available. Now, happy Thanksgiving. So I can just click on this one. I can click on get started. Now, what I can do is instead of, having to use or purchase any of the premium versions of these little applications, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on start editing, and I'm going to edit my template as I want it to be on my Shopify store. So whatever text you want, all the editing you're going to do over here. So let's say I'm providing, a happy Thanksgiving email with a 10% discount voucher. Now I'm going to change the font for this maybe. Then I want this to be bold. If I want anything to be bold, I can choose to do that. But I'm just going to click on regular, taking just this bit of text over here. I'm going to make this bold, and I'm going to change the font as well. So let's say I have this one, whatever you might want. So I'm going to go with this one. So after that, you even have your social links. So over here, you can add any of your social links. Let's say I want to link it back to my Shopify store. I'm just going to add that as a social link, although you're supposed to actually, link your your actual social media platforms. And once you do that, you're going to click on export. Now, you might be saying, hey, I need free trials to get that. Don't worry. Just download this zip file, enter your email address. I'm just entering my email address. Now it's going to download. Now in my inbox, I'm going to go into my inbox. If you can't find it in your inbox, go into your trash or spam. It got in my spam. So then once you go and find their email by Unlayer, you're going to download their template. And you're just going to download this template. Once this template has been downloaded, you're going to get a zip file. Open the zip file, and now you might be saying, hey, they have a bunch of different images and this index, but if I open this up, it goes back to a URL page. It's not really the code. Well, once you have opened this up, all you have to do is do a right click on view page source. This will open up the entire HTML that you need to get started with sending this as an email. So just copy this code as it is, copy this, and go back into your Shopify store, go into your notifications, and whatever email this might be. So this is just a new email, so I can, create a new email, or just in terms of marketing, I'm just going to enter this into any kind of email. So let's say it's in customer marketing, whatever. Now I'm going to click on edit code. Now I'm going to remove this entire code and then paste mine instead. And now once I have done that, now don't worry if you feel like you're gonna mess up, because you have a revert to default button at the bottom. So if you ever mess up, you can get started from scratch as well. And once you click on save over here, you can exit out, and now you can see this is our amazing template. Now this is not showing up because I did not upload the images as well, but I can upload this in the form, or you can cut the image code out as well, and you can add all that stuff, but I didn't add anything, so that's why it's a little empty. But that is how simple and easy it is to begin customizing your Shopify emails. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.